Hi crocheters of the world! In this tutorial I want to show you how to make these beautiful earrings. Pair of earrings, actually I have one. Now together with you I will make another one, the other one. So it's really nice and it's worked in two parts. The first part is the square and the second part is the rose. I used for it the Irish rose. And of course, if you want to embellish it, you can put a bead in the middle of the rose. Now I am working on this project with the cotton thread, really thin. It's an European number 8. And with a 2mm hook. So let's get started with the square. We will begin with the magic loop or the magic ring. Chain 1 around the magic loop and work for the first round, work 16 single crochets. So 16. 1. Now I have my 16 single crochets worked. I will pull the tail in order to close the magic loop. Not very tight. And insert the hook into the first single crochet made to slip stitch to join. Okay. And now into the second round we will chain 1 and single crochet into this very first single crochet here. Oops. So here. And we want to chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then into the same stitch insert your hook and slip stitch to join and to create a chain 10 space. Now into the next single crochet work 1 single crochet. Into the next single crochet work a slip stitch, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and another slip stitch into the same single crochet. Okay, so now this is what we have to repeat 3 times more to obtain the square, the first, let's say the first part of the square actually. Okay, so the chain 10 spaces will be our corners and the chain 5 spaces will be our sides of the square. So go on and repeat the same thing 3 more times. So just to be sure, I will repeat one more time with you. So insert the hook into the next stitch, into the next single crochet and work 1 single crochet. Then into the next one slip stitch and a chain of 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into the same single crochet insert your hook again and slip stitch to join. Now into the next single crochet insert your hook and work 1 single crochet. Into the next single crochet insert your hook and work a chain of 5 for 5, and into the same single crochet work a slip stitch to join. So 2 more times the same thing. So I finished my second round and I have 4 chain 10 spaces and 4 chain 5 spaces. Now for the third round we will skip directly into the first chain 10 space and we will work around these first 4 single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have 4 single crochets, 1 single crochet with picot, so chain 3 and insert the hook into the single crochet like this. So if you can, you have to take 2 parts of the stitch, pull the yarn through it and make a slip stitch just to close the picot. Now 1 single crochet without picot, again 1 single crochet with picot, so chain 3, insert the hook like this into the single crochet, pull the yarn and slip stitch to close the picot. Now we have 2 picots divided by 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet again and 1 single crochet with picot, so chain 3 and insert the hook like this, pull the yarn and slip stitch to join. Now we have 3 picots divided by 2 single crochets, so 1 picot, 1 with picot, 1 without, 1 with picot, 1 without and 1 with picot. Now we need 2 more single crochets with picot divided by 1 single crochet normal, so 1 single crochet, so 1 single crochet without picot, and the next will be single crochet with picot. So this means that we will chain 3, insert the hook into the single crochet, pull the yarn and slip stitch to join. Okay, single crochet without picot and again the last single crochet with picot. 1, 2, 3, insert the hook like this into the single crochet, pull the yarn and slip stitch to join. We finish it with 4 more single crochets. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we have completed our first chain 10. Insert the hook into the single crochet in between the chain 10 space and chain 5 space and make a slip stitch. Now I just want to show you what we have here. We can just put them a little bit, arrange them. Okay, we have 4 single crochets, then 1 single crochet with picot, 1 without picot, 1 with picot, 1 without picot, 1 with, 1 without, 1 with, 1 without, 1 with, and again we finish with 4 single crochet. So in between these 2 4 single crochets, 2 parts, let's say, of 4 single crochets, so the beginning and the end of the chain 10 space, we work 5 picots, single crochets with picots, divided by single crochet, normal single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4 normal single crochets, and 5 single crochets with picot. And this is what we have to work into each of our remaining 3 chain 10 spaces. Now skip into the chain 5 space and work 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, then 1 single crochet with picot, so 1, 2, 3, okay, and 2 more single crochets, 1 and 2. Okay, and this is what we have for the chain 5 space, sorry. Into the single crochet, insert your hook and work a slip stitch. Okay, so this is what we have after we completed 1 chain 10 and 1 chain 5. And now we have to repeat this sequence 3 more times. So I will repeat it off the camera, and I will be back to show you how to continue on, so how to make the fourth and the third, so the fourth and the fifth rounds. So we have 2 more rounds to finish the square. This is what we have after finishing the third round. 1, 2, 3. Yes, the third round. Now we want to begin the fourth round into the picot of the chain 5 space here, just made, so the last one. So we will just work like this. Chain 1, turn your work, and now work into the first single crochet, work 1 slip stitch, into the next 1 slip stitch, and now into the picot, insert the hook into the picot and work 1 slip stitch, chain 1 and turn, and we are ready to begin our fourth round with chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Insert the hook into the second picot of the large, of the corner, let's say, of the large space, but it's okay, of the corner. So here into the second and make a slip stitch. Now we have 1 chain 7. Okay, now chain 7 again, actually will be a chain 7 round. 4, 5, 6, 7, skip the next picot and insert the hook into the next, of course of the same large space. So we have small spaces. Okay, I name small space the chain 5 space, and the large space is the chain 10 space. Okay, now this is what we have. 1, 2, and now again chain 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and insert the hook into the picot, the picot here of the chain 5. Okay, I want to try to take 2 pieces of the picot, so 2 threads, and this is what we have. Okay, so look, it's like a crown that we made here with the chain 7. Actually is this. Can you see it? We will work here single crochets and picots around this chain 7 to create this beautiful crown pattern, and we will work 4 of these. So for now we'll go on and work the same thing 3 more times. So actually the same thing. From here we go on and work another chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into the second picot, 1, 2, into the second picot, insert your hook and slip stitch to join. Oops, okay. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, skip this picot, the very next picot, and insert the hook into the next picot and slip stitch to join. Okay, and now chain 7 again, 4, 5, 6, 7, and insert the hook into the little picot here of the chain 5 space and slip stitch. And here we have the second crown made. Now complete 2 more times, and I will complete off the camera, and I will be back to show you how to work the last round of our square. So to finish the round, after the last chain 7 made, insert the hook into the same picot here where you began, slip stitch to join with the first. Okay, and this is what we have. Now we can just close our magic circle, and for the last round we have to work into the 7 this each of our 12, actually we have 12 chain 7 spaces, and we will work like this: 2 single crochets, oops, 1 and 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet with picot, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the single crochet just made and slip stitch. Then again 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and 1 single crochet with picot, chain 3, close the picot, the slip stitch, again 2 single crochets, 1 and 2, and 1 single crochet with picot, 1, 2, 3, close the picot into the single crochet with a slip stitch. Now we have 3 picots, and we have to work 2 more single crochets, and this is what we have to repeat 11 more times, because I said we have 12 chain 7 spaces. Okay, so 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet with picot, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet with picot, 2 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet with picot, and we finish with 2 more single crochets. So go on and complete all your 11 chain 7 that you have. Okay, now to skip into the next chain 7, just insert the hook here in between them and make a slip stitch. And now you are ready to skip into the next chain 7, space, and to work 2 single crochets and 1 single crochet with picot. Oops. Close the picot. Now again 2 single crochets and 1 single crochet with picot, so chain 3 and close the picot with a slip stitch. Now again 2 single crochets, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet with picot, so chain 3 and then close the picot into the single crochet with a slip stitch and 2 more single crochets to finish, and insert the hook here under somewhere, okay, and slip stitch just like this. Now go on and work 10 more, actually, because we worked 2 chain 5 spaces together. 10 more chain 7 spaces. 10 more, yes, and that's it for the square. We will be ready with the square. We have just the rows and our earring is ready. So I finished my square, and this is what I have. Now all that we have to do is the rows and to sew them together to create the earring. For the earring, again the magic loop and 12 single crochets around the magic loop. 2, 3. Okay, I have my 12 single crochets. Now I pull the tail. Now insert your hook into the very first single crochet made and slip stitch to join. Then chain 1 and into the same single crochet insert your hook and work a single crochet. Now chain 3 and skip the next single crochet into the next, make a single crochet. Again chain 3, skip 1 single crochet and into the next, work a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet and into the next, work a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet into the next, work a single crochet, chain 3, skip 1 single crochet and into the next, work a single crochet, chain 3, This is my last chain 3, and insert your hook into the first single crochet to slip stitch to join. Now actually we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chain 3 spaces. Now insert the hook into the first chain 3 space and slip stitch, yarn over and work your first double crochet into this first chain 3 space. This is our first single crochet. Now we have double crochet, sorry. Now we have to work 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now we have 6 single crochets. Insert the hook into the single crochet in between the chain 3 spaces and slip stitch. Now yarn over and into the next chain 3 space work 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Go on like this until the end of the round. Now at the end, insert the hook into the first single crochet and slip stitch to join. Now for the first round we will chain 1, fold it like this and work around the first single crochet, a single crochet, chain 4, 3, 4, and now we are on the back side of our flower. Around the next single crochet work a single crochet, chain 4, 3, 4, and around the next single crochet work a single crochet, chain 4, 3, 4, and around the next work a single crochet on the back side of the flower, 3, 4, chain 4 again, and around the next single crochet work a single crochet, 3, 4, chain 4, around the next single crochet on the back side, actually work a single crochet, and 1, 2, 3, 4, insert the hook into the first single crochet made here and slip stitch to join. Now chain 1 and turn your work like this and work your first double crochet into the first chain 4 space, and we need 7 more double crochet for a total of 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now insert the hook into the single crochet in between the spaces and slip stitch. Then go on and complete your 5 chain 4 spaces left with 8 double crochets. So once you completed the flower 2, the rows 2, just sew the bead. I use a 12mm bead on the rows, and then the rows on the square in the middle here. Okay, and here it is, you have your earrings ready. So hope you Enjoy the tutorial. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.